Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how many traders actually succeed in India? You know, trading has become quite popular in India lately. But have you ever wondered how many traders actually make it big? Well, according to studies, the success rate among traders in India is quite low. Can you believe that only around 10% of traders consistently make profits in the long run? So, what's the deal? Why is it so tough to succeed in trading? Trading is no walk in the park, my friend. It takes a deep understanding of the market, technical analysis, risk management, and lots of discipline. It's a real challenge. To increase your chances of success, education is key. Learning from experienced traders, attending workshops, and staying updated with the market trends can make a big difference. Here's some advice from the experts: focus on developing effective trading strategies, keep your emotions in check, and manage your risks wisely. And, of course, never stop learning. So, to answer our question, only a small percentage of traders in India achieve consistent success. But remember, with the right knowledge, strategies, and mindset, anyone can improve their chances. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.